sa Attorney Ruth Castelo, spokesperson sa Office of the Vice President. Sa atong papakihinabi may gala tungod po sa ilang pag-ari karon ato si Bianan sa DYHP Aramin Cebu o pag-ari nila sa Sugbo kay doon na sa mga 3 days no activities sa Office of the Vice President. Pero doon mga pangutana nga importante sad nga atong tagag-pagtagad. Panyira Ruth, yung COA ay mayroong sunod-sunod na unmodified audit opinion. So ibig sabihin okay lang yung Office of the Vice President. Pero yung latest kasi mayroong issue na mayroon dayong acquire na mga equipment dyan na sobrang mahal daw. Isa doon yung na report yung sa CCTV. Could you explain that, Panyera?
I will begin by saying that we have received the unmodified or unqualified audit opinion for the years 2022, 2023, 2024. So 3 consecutive years na binigay ng Commission on Audit yung ganyang opinion. On the audit on financial statements, kasi there are 3 kinds of audit, di ba? Compliance audit, performance audit, financial statement audit. So, dun sa audit ng financial statement, ang binigay sa atin na opinion is unmodified.
Okay.
Meaning, we have fairly presented all our financial statements covering all our financial transactions ng malinaw sa Commission on Audit na naipresenta natin ng maayos, klaro, kumpleto ng papeles, kumpleto ng dokumento to support the expenditure. Meron ding audit observations contained in the COA report that we received last June. Pero itong mga audit observations na ito are readily correctable. Kaya na-correct na natin. Ginagawa naman yan ng COA, Panyero, for all government agencies. They gave us 6 months within which to submit a report on the rectifications made. And we have done that dun sa several audit observations na ginawa. Pero walang question doon on the CCTV cameras that you mentioned. So kung meron pong red flag yan sa Commission on Audit, it would have been contained in the COA report indicating the audit observations made. Wala pong ganyan. So ibig sabihin, hindi po red flag sa COA. Meaning, we have fairly presented documents covering that transaction and therefore justifying the expenditure for that transaction. That's why we appreciate you having invited us here kasi may mga tao nagagawa na lang ng general statements na hindi naman based on factual evidence, hindi ba?
People who are following the activities of the Office of the Vice President, parang magtaka sila ba? Bakit ganon?
Kami rin po, nagtataka kung saan galing kasi wala naman po doon sa documents na hawak namin from the Commission on Audit.